Hi, have you ever used LinkedIn for your sales and prospecting? Some of you may already use it, some of you may have done it in the past, and some might have never even tried it. Either way, what I'm about to show you could basically change the entire way you do your prospecting. Let me show you how it works. So, first things first, LinkedIn is not just another social media, some like Facebook, Instagram, or others for that matter. Instead, LinkedIn is a very powerful sales and prospecting tool. Let's see how it works. So let's get started. For those of you who have tried it in the past, that's awesome. And for those of you who haven't, check this out. This is amazing. Let's start searching for some new leads. So on this screen, we have this big filter that allows us to narrow down our search to find and pinpoint the exact type of leads that we're looking for. So for instance, we want to go with geography, we can start with anywhere we want. A continent, a country, municipality, anything. So for this demo, let's go to San Francisco Bay Area. And for the relationship, I'm going to select second and third degree relationships. Now, I can choose any company I want. If I'm looking for IBM, I can find IBM right here and connect with people in IBM. Or Xerox, for example. Let's try it here. Xerox. There it is. Or maybe we want to just keep it much broader. So in which industry? Let's go for example, for construction. Okay, so businesses that are in construction. Now, the next thing is the headcount. So I can choose from self-employed up to 10,000 plus employees. So again, I'm going to pick like anywhere between like 10 to 200 headcounts. Then I have seniority, so let's choose owner and partners and C-level execs, for instance. What function, what title, you're looking for plumbers. Let's see, master plumber or plumbing, or you want to keep it blank. Again, all these are flexible variables, but check this out. Wow, 4,228 actual leads in San Francisco area that are in construction, and they have one of these titles in a company that's a size between like 10 to 200. There they are. Isn't that great? So you can connect with each and every one of them that you want. So they're right there. This is the gold mine that LinkedIn provides that no other social media for that matter does. And that's why it's such an awesome prospecting tool. So you can see what it's capable of doing. This advanced prospecting is awesome. However, it comes with quite a few challenges, and here they are. So in this example, we came up with a list of 4,000 candidates. Now imagine trying to connect with each and every one of them, and all of that manual follow-ups that's involved. First attempt, second, third, or even fourth, so on and so forth. And you've got to keep track of each conversation times 4,000 in this example. That's super crazy. It's basically not doable. Imagine how long would it take to do this, if at all. One should pretty much quit everything else and just do this 24/7. Absolutely impractical. But these are still pretty good leads. How about running some ads on LinkedIn? Well, if you tried in the past, you know that LinkedIn ads are very, very expensive. Each ad click could easily start anywhere from $3 to $4 upwards to 15, 20, or even more. Why? LinkedIn knows what a gold mine it has and is asking for a decent amount for it. And all of that money basically goes towards purchasing ad clicks, not even connects. So here's a dilemma. A tool that could give you a lot of ideal leads, but connecting with them is going to either take forever or cost a fortune. And this is where our solution comes in. Our automation platform helps you use all those great stuff without having the burden of any of the roadblocks that could prevent you. So we remove the complicated process, the time consumption, and we help you do that with spending $0 on the ads. Using our solution, you will be able to automate the entire workflow without having to do all of that extra work manually. You create the list and you watch the hot leads coming in. So you can spend more time engaging them in a more meaningful conversation. So what's in it for you? Let's just recap. Instead of chasing, you will spend more time closing deals, that's where you get paid. Again, it's a fully automated workflow, so you don't have to spend a ton of time doing things manually. This could help you and your team meet and exceed the sales quota. Well, which is great, but there are many ways to exceed quota, of course. But the great value add about this is that you can do that with less work. This one is one of my favorites. No need for cold calling. Get all this done with zero ad cost. And that's the beauty of it. The solution is fast, it's easy, and it's affordable. So, what's next? Let's connect for a quick demo. Give me a call or go to our website where you can schedule a time that's more convenient for you so you can see it hands-on, see under the hood and see how it works. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer and simply assess fit and see if it's worth continuing the conversation. I want to thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.